boys right now. My kids are watching TV. I got them out of the way so I can get lunch ready. It is now almost about 1:30. We skipped breakfast this morning. Everybody kind of got a late start except for me. And I always skip breakfast, which is not good, you guys. Anywho, all right, I got lunch going today. It's just hot dogs and french fries. We're out of vegetable oils. I'm not going to the store right now. Put them daggone french fries in the oven on 450. Let them be nice and crispy. Get their hot dogs going. They can go ahead and eat lunch while I'm packing. I went ahead and moved all of my furniture back. Excuse those pictures, you guys. We have to put that up, our little decorations. So how I get ready for vacation is I lay everybody's bags out on the floor. So I'm going on vacation for about 5 days. I put theirs inside of their backpacks from last year. Use their backpacks. And my sister-in-law is staying with us. So I'm washing her clothes right now. She's getting ready to go home tomorrow. So I have her bags here too. This is my bag, but my daughter keeps stealing it. Oh, like, get your own Victoria's Secret bag. So some of the boys, some of their clothes, they have some things alike. So to separate their clothes, I always put my daughter's stuff in the middle. I need you to go to my closet.
Oh, yes, then.
I need you to go to my closet and get Dad's blue vacation bag and get my cheetah print bag. Today.
You think you can get blue?
Why'd you rip that off? Where's the other piece to it? Okay.
Mom, I threw it away because I wasn't doing this.
Okay. So, I put Malachi's, then I put Kieran's in the middle, then I put Jeremiah's, but we have an extra person, so I have to make room for her. That's not even his son. Hanging up. Dad's bag is hanging up over there by his shoes, his shoe rack. So Malachi already brought me a couple of things. So all I do is just lay it out in front of the bag. Oh, look at that. Change. I'm gonna tell the boys to get their stuff, what they want to wear. And this may be slightly frustrating. Boys! Where's your brother? I said boys, plural, both of you. Where's the other one? I told him to go get you. Where's he at?
Your mom, downstairs already. What are we doing?
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. What are we doing?
I'm getting ready for vacation. I gotta wait till Jeremiah and get here so I can give you instructions. Can you get back in here so I can talk to both of y'all at the same time? No, stop that. I told you to come here. I didn't tell you to come in here and wash your hands. I told you to go get your brother.
I thought you was upstairs.
You was up there watching TV. True story. Listen, this is what I need you guys to do. First, this is life, guys. It's life. You tell them to do something, they try to do something else. And then, while they're trying to do something else, they forget what you told them to do. But you gotta be patient. and I still have to re-braid my hair. I have to braid her hair.
They can't find anything. How can you not find anything?
So I come up here to their rooms, and none of their clothes are organized like I organized them. It's just stuff all over the place. So on top of fixing their beds, now I have to go through and fix their clothes. I should make them come fix it, but I'm just not in the mood for all the yelling right now. So I'm just gonna do it because I gotta get this done, because we have Bible study tonight, 7 p.m. and I want to be able to rest before Bible study and take a shower and stuff and just chill. I think it's possible. Some days it's not possible. I don't know why people think that when you're a stay-at-home parent, when you don't have a job, that you just sit at home like this all day. Or I'm baking cookies. Well, some days I do have a chance to bake cookies from scratch. But I'm not doing that every day. I'm like working, like trying to get everything, the house prepared for vacation, and then do my hair. Tomorrow's 4th of July. We had this plan to, I'm gonna clean my kids' closet. We had this plan to go to Fort Worth and hang out with our family and stuff like that for the 4th of July. But a recent turn of events has make me not want to go anymore. Like, I'm here watching TV. I should have known it. I should have known it, Titus. That was a dog, y'all. I should have known they was in here screwing around. So now I'm picking up all their slack. So upstairs is almost complete. I'm so excited. That is almost complete. Quick, I gotta run to the store. I hate that it's being interrupted because right now it's 4:49. So by the time I get back from Walmart, who wants to go to Walmart at 5 o'clock in the evening where everybody's off of work and all that foolery? But I gotta go to Walmart, get the citric acid, and come back and get dressed for Bible study because I'm not done packing and this happens. And I'm gonna be up all night, so y'all pray for me. So everything did not go as planned. Put my keys up. Come on, Jeremiah. And anything in life is like that. Things don't always go as planned, but we have to make it our business not to get frustrated. When we get frustrated, that's when things get crazy for us. Even though I had a lot of things to do today, I didn't allow those things to overwhelm me. And I didn't allow them to overwhelm me. Close it. Here, lock it for me. I didn't allow it to overwhelm me. And I also did one thing at a time. I did a lot of multiple things. Let me take that back. You have to remember that things don't always go as planned. Right now I'm on my way to Bible study. I have to leave early. It's like 6:26. Bible study starts at 7, but I make sure I'm there to turn things on and everything. That's not my specific job, but we don't have anybody to do it right now, so I'm just filling in and just helping wherever we need help at, not allow myself to even get overwhelmed in that. So I made sure that when I went to Walmart at 5, we got back at it was about 6 o'clock. It was like 5:45. Came back from Walmart. So I just went ahead and took myself out of cleaning zone and didn't try to clean up all the way up until a certain point. I was like, no, time goes by fast. So I started getting dressed, and some of us are gonna stay. Some of them are gonna stay here, and then the rest of us are going to church tonight because they have to start getting ready for weekend and vacation and stuff like that. Church. Me and my son. I think he's having a hard time locking the door. Let's go check on Jeremiah. Oh, you had a hard time locking the door? So we are about to hit church. So remember, things don't always go as you plan. Even when I had a lot to do today, but you cannot allow yourself to get overwhelmed and try to overthink everything, because that's when the real frustration comes in. And then you start taking the frustrations out on your kids. You start taking the frustrations out, you know, everything else, yourself. It can be very stressful. So one thing I learned to do to manage my stress is to take it, you know, be realistic about how much time I have, what I have to do today, and not get mad because I obligated myself to things. So that is it for today. Just for today, I'm gonna do another part of this packing. Oh no, it's not showing the address. He be looking out for me. Keep your joy, you keep your peace. You don't let anybody take that from you, and you stay faithful to your natural. And I will see you guys in the next video.
And
bye.
Don't let no one take your peace.
Yes, what he said. Bye.